It's the 26th of October 2022 and we have Hiomotie, Huvudrivägen 42-6A here in Pitäjänmäki, Sockenbacka, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Finland. Capacity is 4 persons of 325 grams. Very nice, it's like almost scenic, just the view is not a real view, but
yeah,
it's almost scenic. Yeah, very nice still.
Somebody's coming.
It's built in 1997. 225 years old this year in 2020. But you can at least say something.
Yeah.
This number is 55068. It will be inspected in 2024. But
Yeah.
about this style, postmodern style.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Somebody has an old Antilla logo and has saved it
Yeah.
in the balcony.
Yeah.
Strange. Second drive. Press, of course.
Yeah. He's did by that made by Coley.
Yeah. Love the vibrations, it's working without problems.
Yeah.
And the general atmosphere is also quite nostalgic.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much. Let's go to the stage.
That's